So good morning. I know I posted a YouTube video so late. So welcome back. um this vlog might be different. So let's see. Why not any other place, you know? Oh my god. I didn't vlog for like 2 days because I was sick and I was off. So come with me to school. For somebody who does content creation, guess who forgot her phone? Me. I'm late and I forgot my phone. Okay, I wanna cry. Let me tell you why. So, I am going to Soho House and I'm meant to be there by 2. So, when I came from the gym, the room was being cleaned. So, it took like 30 minutes. But it took way longer. It's meant to take 10 to 30 minutes. It took way longer, which is fine. My room is clean. But I had to shower, do my put air quotes makeup, and leave, and also eat as well. I had not eaten. Today we're having chicken, and we're having chicken, bro. I wanna cry, cause what? I love. But it's gonna be an amazing day. Trust me, it will be. Again. So, hi guys, we're going to school today. I have a full day. I have economics in the morning and applied data analysis in the evening. So, come with me. And guess who fucking passed Binance?
Propera parada. Avinguda Josep Vicenç Foix, Monestir.
Okay. So, guys. Move back.
Okay, let's go.
Tell me now, why you start the war that we're fighting now? And you run and you fall when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. When you call on me. When you call me, I come. But there you go again with your deaf ears. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now you are, you're begging and crying. I wanna fly, yeah, I'm flying till morning, running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah.
Hi guys, so I don't know. I haven't spoken in this vlog for too long. So yeah. Hi guys. Today we are going to a carnival and I'm with Belen. Hi. Just know we've recorded this video a few times now. But yeah, I'm having tea before we go. So I hope you enjoy the carnival. Cue the music. Bro, 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 bro.
Normally, I could keep my cool, but tonight I'm whining. I'ma be in a dangerous mood. Can you match my timing? Telling me that you're really about it, what you're hiding. Talk is cheap, so show me that you understand. Can you blow my
Guys, we had to run. We had to fucking run. Why? Because it's the last train.